Knowing the rules isn't just about passing a test, it's about staying safe every time you drive. Welcome to our UK Theory Test series. In part 26, we're diving into another mix of topics designed to test your awareness and boost your confidence. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Question 1. You're driving in very heavy rain. How will your overall stopping distance be affected? A. It will be up to 10 times the dry weather stopping distance. B. It will be half the dry weather stopping distance. C. It will be at least double the dry weather stopping distance. D. It will have no effect on the overall stopping distance. The answer is C. It will be at least double the dry weather stopping distance. Question 2. In good conditions, what's the typical stopping distance at 70 miles per hour? A. 96 meters, 315 feet. B. 60 meters, 197 feet. C. 73 meters, 240 feet. D. 53 meters, 175 feet. The answer is A. 96 meters, 315 feet. Question 3. It's essential that tire pressures are checked regularly. When should this be done? A. After any lengthy journey. B. When tires are hot. C. After traveling at high speed. D. When tires are cold. The answer is D. When tires are cold. Question 4. What is a statutory off-road notification? SORN. A. Information kept by the police about the owner of a vehicle. B. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle isn't being used on the road. C. A notification to tell DVSA that a vehicle doesn't have a current MOT. D. Information held by insurance companies to check a vehicle is insured. The answer is B. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle isn't being used on the road. Question 5. What does a circular traffic sign with a blue background do? A. Give directions to a car park. B. Give motorway information. C. Give warning of a motorway ahead. D. Give an instruction. The answer is D. Give an instruction. Question 6. You're driving on the motorway. How can you lower the risk of a collision when the vehicle behind is following too closely? A. Brake sharply. B. Increase your distance from the vehicle in front. C. Move onto the hard shoulder and stop. D. Switch on your hazard warning lights. The answer is B. Increase your distance from the vehicle in front. Question 7. What must you do when you see this sign? A. Stop only if a red light is showing. B. Stop only if children are waiting to cross. C. Stop only if traffic is approaching. D. Stop even if the road is clear. The answer is D. Stop even if the road is clear. Question 8. You're riding on a motorway. The car in front switches on its hazard warning lights while it's moving. What does this mean? A. There's danger ahead. B. The driver is going to take the next exit. C. The driver is trying to change lanes. D. There's a police car ahead. The answer is A. There's danger ahead. Question 9. How should a load be carried on your roof rack? A. Securely fastened with suitable restraints. B. Covered with plastic sheeting. C. Visible in your exterior mirror. D. Loaded towards the rear of the vehicle. The answer is A. Securely fastened with suitable restraints. Question 10. Which road crossing has been designed for both cyclists and pedestrians? A. Puffin crossing. B. Pavement. C. Zebra crossing. D. Toucan crossing. The answer is D. Toucan crossing. Question 11. What should you do to reduce the risk of your vehicle catching fire? A. Use fuel additives. B. Avoid driving with a full tank of fuel. C. Check out any strong smell of fuel. D. Keep water levels above maximum. The answer is C. Check out any strong smell of fuel. Question 12. You're traveling in the left-hand lane of a 3-lane motorway. How should you react to traffic joining from a slip road? A. Switch on your hazard warning lights. B. Move to another lane. C. Race the other vehicles. D. Maintain a steady speed. The answer is B. Move to another lane. Question 13. Your vehicle is insured third-party only. What does this cover? A. Injury to yourself. B. All damage and injury. C. Damage to other vehicles. D. Damage to your vehicle. The answer is C. Damage to other vehicles. Question 14. At an incident, it's important to look after any casualties. What should you do with them when the area is safe? A. Keep them where they are. B. Move them away from the vehicles. C. Give them something to eat. D. Ask them how it happened. The answer is A. Keep them where they are. Question 15. You service your own vehicle. How should you dispose of the old engine oil? A. Tip it into a hole in the ground. B. Take it to a local authority site. C. Put it in your dustbin. D. Pour it down a drain. The answer is B. Take it to a local authority site. Question 16. What should you do if you have to make a journey in foggy conditions? A. Avoid using dipped headlights. B. Keep 2 seconds behind the vehicle ahead. C. Follow other vehicles' tail lights closely. D. Leave plenty of time for your journey. The answer is D. Leave plenty of time for your journey. Question 17. What should you do if the left-hand pavement is closed due to street repairs? A. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. B. Position your vehicle close to the left-hand curb. C. Use your right-hand mirror more often. D. Speed up to get past the roadworks more quickly. The answer is A. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. Question 18. What is a cover note? A. A document issued before you receive your registration document. B. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. C. A document issued before you receive your driving license. D. A document issued before you receive your MOT certificate. The answer is B. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. Question 19. Which 3 of the following will affect your stopping distance? A. The time of day. B. The street lighting. C. All the above. D. The tires on your vehicle, the weather, and how fast you are going. The answer is D. The tires on your vehicle, the weather, and how fast you are going. Question 20. Why is it important to adjust your head restraint properly? A. To protect your neck in a collision. B. To make you more comfortable. C. To help you relax while you're driving. D. To maintain a good driving position. The answer is A. To protect your neck in a collision. Question 21. You want to turn right from a junction. What should you do if your view is restricted by parked vehicles? A. Move out quickly but be prepared to stop. B. Sound your horn and pull out if there's no reply. C. Stop, then move forward slowly until you have a clear view. D. Stop, get out, and look along the main road to check. The answer is C. Stop, then move forward slowly until you have a clear view. Question 22. Other drivers may sometimes flash their headlights at you. What's the official meaning of this signal? A. There's a fault with your vehicle. B. They're warning you of their presence. C. There's a radar speed trap ahead. D. They're giving way to you. The answer is B. They're warning you of their presence. Question 23. You have been taking medicine for a few days, which made you feel drowsy. Today you feel better but still need to take the medicine. You should only drive. A. At night on quiet roads. B. After checking with your doctor. C. If someone goes with you. D. If your journey is necessary. The answer is B. After checking with your doctor. Question 24. Where would you expect to see these markers? A. On a railway bridge. B. On a motorway sign. C. On a diversion sign. D. On a large goods vehicle. The answer is D. On a large goods vehicle. Question 25. Why is it more difficult to overtake a large vehicle than a car? A. It will have air brakes. B. It will be slow climbing hills. C. It will take longer to pass one. D. It will be fitted with a speed limiter. The answer is C. It will take longer to pass one. Question 26. Which type of vehicle does this sign apply to? A. Long vehicles. B. High vehicles. C. Heavy vehicles. D. Wide vehicles. The answer is B. High vehicles. Question 27. What should you do when approaching traffic lights where red and amber are showing together? A. Pass the lights if the road is clear. B. Stop because the lights are changing to red. C. Wait for the green light. D. Take care because there's a fault with the lights. The answer is C. Wait for the green light. Question 28. Whilst you are driving, a police officer flashes his headlights at you from behind. He is pointing to the left. What should you do? A. Pull up on the left. B. Turn left at the next junction. C. Stop immediately. D. Move over to the left. The answer is A. Pull up on the left. Question 29. You're following a large vehicle. Why should you stay a safe distance behind it? A. You'll keep out of the wind better. B. You'll allow the driver to see you in their mirrors. C. You'll help the large vehicle to stop more easily. D. You'll be able to corner more quickly. The answer is B. You'll allow the driver to see you in their mirrors. Question 30. What should you do before driving into a tunnel? A. Remove your sunglasses. B. Switch on your windscreen wipers. C. Switch off your radio. D. Close your sunroof. The answer is A. Remove your sunglasses. Question 31. What speed limit is often found in narrow residential streets? A. 40 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 25 miles per hour. D. 35 miles per hour. The answer is B. 20 miles per hour. Question 32. You've been convicted of driving while unfit through drink or drugs. What will increase in cost when you start driving again? A. Vehicle test certificate. B. Driving license. C. Vehicle tax. D. Insurance premiums. The answer is D. Insurance premiums. Question 33. You are parked at the side of the road. You will be waiting for some time for a passenger. What should you do? A. Switch off the engine. B. Apply the steering lock. C. Switch off the radio. D. Use your headlights. The answer is A. Switch off the engine. Question 34. You're turning left on a slippery road. What should you do if the back of your vehicle slides to the right? A. Steer carefully to the left. B. Brake firmly and steer to the left. C. Steer carefully to the right. D. Brake firmly and don't turn the steering wheel. The answer is C. Steer carefully to the right. Question 35. What restrictions apply to people who have a provisional driving license? A. They can't drive at night. B. They can't drive unaccompanied. C. They can't drive over 30 miles per hour. D. They can't drive with more than one passenger. The answer is B. They can't drive unaccompanied. Question 36. Show me how you would check that the direction indicators are working. A. Indicate right or left. B. Set the alarm while you are in the car. C. Turn on the hazard warning lights. D. Start the car while the examiner is behind it. The answer is A. Indicate right or left. Question 37. What should you do if your vehicle pulls to one side when you're braking? A. Use your parking brake at the same time. B. Pump the pedal when braking. C. Consult your garage as soon as possible. D. Change the tires around. The answer is C. Consult your garage as soon as possible. Question 38. You arrive at an incident. A motorcyclist is unconscious. Your first priority is the casualties. A. Broken bones. B. Breathing. C. Bruising. D. Bleeding. The answer is B. Breathing. Question 39. You are dazzled at night by a vehicle behind you. You should A. Set your mirror to anti-dazzle. B. Brake sharply to a stop. C. Set your mirror to dazzle the other driver. D. Switch your rear lights on and off. The answer is A. Set your mirror to anti-dazzle. Question 40. Why should you be cautious when going past this stationary bus? A. The road surface will be slippery. B. People may cross the road in front of it. C. The driver may open the door. D. There is traffic approaching in the distance. The answer is B. People may cross the road in front of it. Question 41. Who has priority when traffic lights are out of order? A. Traffic turning right. B. Traffic turning left. C. Nobody. D. Traffic going straight on. The answer is C. Nobody. Question 42. How can you avoid wheel spin when you're driving on an icy road? A. Drive in a low gear at all times. B. Use the parking brake if the wheels start to slip. C. Drive at a slow speed in as high a gear as possible. D. Brake gently and repeatedly. The answer is C. Drive at a slow speed in as high a gear as possible. Question 43. At an incident, a small child isn't breathing. To restore normal breathing, how should you breathe into their mouth? A. Gently. B. Heavily. C. Rapidly. D. Sharply. The answer is A. Gently. Question 44. You're driving towards a zebra crossing. What should you do if a person in a wheelchair is waiting to cross? A. Continue on your way. B. Wave to the person to wait. C. Be prepared to stop. D. Wave to the person to cross. The answer is C. Be prepared to stop. Question 45. What does it mean if a bus lane sign shows no times of operation? A. It's in operation 24 hours a day. B. It's only in operation in daylight hours. C. It's not in operation at all. D. It's only in operation at peak times. The answer is A. It's in operation 24 hours a day. Question 46. You must not sound your horn. A. Between 11:30 p.m. and 6 a.m. on any road. B. At any time in a built-up area. C. Between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. in a built-up area. D. Between 11:30 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a built-up area. The answer is D. Between 11:30 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a built-up area. Question 47. By how much can stopping distances increase in icy conditions? A. 5 times. B. 10 times. C. 2 times. D. 3 times. The answer is B. 10 times. Question 48. You're reversing your vehicle into a side road. When would the greatest hazard to passing traffic occur? A. After you've entered the side road. B. Just before you actually begin to maneuver. C. When the front of your vehicle swings out. D. After you've completed the maneuver. The answer is C. When the front of your vehicle swings out. Question 49. What should you do if you're driving behind a cyclist who's giving a right turn signal? A. Overtake before the cyclist gets to the junction. B. Slow down and allow the cyclist to turn. C. Flash your headlights at the cyclist. D. Squeeze past the cyclist on the left-hand side. The answer is B. Slow down and allow the cyclist to turn. Question 50. When may you reverse from a side road into a main road? A. Not at any time. B. Only if both roads are clear of traffic. C. Only if the main road is clear of traffic. D. At any time. The answer is A. Not at any time. Another set of questions completed. Well done on making progress through Part 26. Every bit of practice helps you get closer to passing your theory test and becoming a safer, more informed driver. Keep up the momentum, revisit any tricky areas, and join us in the next part for more practice. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.